Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are looking at the Rul Hedge expert advisor for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. This one uses a unique hedging approach on two positively correlated pairs like EURUSD and GBPUSD, and the seller shows it making money by trading one direction on each pair and using controlled averaging to recover when things goes against it. It sounds smart for managing divergence, but let's see what the page actually claims and how it ended up in my test. So ensure you watch until the end to get the full picture of the Rul Hedge. Now, before we dive into today's EA, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. You can get it for free by using the link in the description below. So ensure you check it out, it's totally worth it. Now, from the MT5 page, we have the developer who is Vladimir Klystov from Russia. He's quite popular. He's very popular. Has 3.8 star ratings out of 5 from 31 individuals who have rated him. He's a programmer, and this expert advisor goes for $350 US. It has no reviews and it has 12 comments. Also has set files from the developer himself in Russian. Most of the language here is in Russian, so that's about it. It was last updated on the 1st of December 2020. And now, talking about the mechanism and the strategy behind the Rul Hedge, it trades on two pairs with positive correlation. Like I said, on one pair it only buys, on the other pair it only sells. So when one position goes into loss, it starts opening smaller volume clearing trades to bite off small profits during rollbacks. The profitable opposite trade stays open until the losing side is resolved or the combined basket hits the total profit target. Now, clearing trades uses a virtual trading logic at level average distance and also respecting minimum step between orders. It waits for sufficient divergence based on open delta percent before entering initial trades. Now, the idea is to profit from temporary divergence in correlated pairs like EURUSD and GBPUSD, while the averaging helps manage the losing side gradually. And the seller backtest, we can see these are the backtests, even though it's not clear enough, but we can see profit factor of 1.4 and controlled drawdowns and consistent performance over thousands of trades in older periods. The key marketed features, this is exactly how the inputs look like. And I'll go to the inputs here so you can see it clearly. The dual symbol hedging with fixed directional rules. We also have the smart averaging with smaller initial recovery lots that can scale via K lot multiplier, and we also have basket profit closing at the sum profit close. This is it. And also there is the correlation checks via the bars correlation and open delta percent, which helps. And also we have the time filters and the lot management from start lot to max lot. Everything is here in the inputs. They also position it as a structured recovery system that's not full martingale, and it's suitable for accounts that allow hedging with parameters for different risk levels and easy setup on the default EURUSD and GBPUSD pair. These are the defaults, and I actually had to get the defaults from the developer from the MT5 page. These are the default settings, just like this here, and I used these exact numbers and details parameters to input on my MT5, my MetaTrader 5, to be able to run the backtest. It usually comes with its own details and parameters, but following what the developer stated on the MT5 page, I had to use those exact parameters and details here to get the best results for our backtest, and I ran the backtest on EURUSD slash GBPUSD on the 15-minute time frame with $10,000 deposits from June 2025 to June 2026. And looking at this, it showed a nice steady upward equity curve. We have here, it starts flat, then climbs thoroughly. You can see we had some minor dips around there, but at the end of the day, it was in an uptrend. It recovered quickly, and it ended with a 906 US dollar net profit. We have a profit factor of 1.48, max balance drawdown around 1.56%, and equity drawdown just 2.56%. The total trades were around 410, and the balanced win on both sides, but the win rate was quite average. We had 49.76 win rate. But at the end of the day, we ended with a good total net profit, so this is commendable. Profit factor is above 1, and minimal drawdown both on the equity and on the balance. Now, the developer order tests show similar controlled behavior with good recovery, and in my backtest, it delivered positive results with minimal pain, much smoother than pure grid systems. And the inputs that mattered the most were the start lot at 0.5, 0.05. We also have the level average of 300, the step 50, and the K lot at 2.5 for scaling. Also, we have the profit close and some profit close for exits. And also the correlation slash delta settings. All of these timed entries well in this period. And the hedging structure helped keep drawdowns tiny. My verdict for this expert advisor is that it is one of the more structured hedging and averaging EAs out there. It can work well when correlations hold and pullbacks happen for the recovery trades. The catch is that if divergence lasts longer than expected or correlations break, then the averaging can still build exposure even with smaller lots. It's great for experienced traders who are comfortable with hedging accounts, and also for prop firms that allow it, and also for those who monitor correlated pairs. Beginners should test thoroughly and keep risk low. These profits and drawdowns can differ a lot depending on market conditions and position sizes. Now that's the end of our review on the Rul Hedge expert advisor for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Like this video if it helped you out, because I know it did, and subscribe for more reviews, and drop your next EA suggestion in the comments so that we can get to it and review it. And don't forget to grab that free Forex robot in the description below. It's totally worth it. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.